Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sunkara. Today we are going to discuss regarding the concept of court and whether the judge can restrain somebody to attend the court in attending the court. And suppose if he gives orders, are they applicable as blanket orders or are they case centric? అంటే ఆ కేసు వరకే సరిపోతాయా లేక అతను ఉన్న కోర్టు మొత్తం అలాగే ఉంటుందా అనేటువంటి కూడా డౌట్ వచ్చింది. సో దిస్ హ్యాస్ బీన్ క్లారిఫైడ్ బై ది యాక్చువల్లీ ఇట్ ఈస్ హ్యాపెండ్ ఇన్ గౌతంపేట్ బాంబే హైకోర్ట్, రైట్? సో బారింగ్ మీడియా, so are preventing the media in reporting the, so this is a sexual harassment, Prevention of Sexual Harassment at Workplaces Act. So barring media in attending the court in that cases, POSH cases, so they do not have any general effect. They are case centric. ఏ కేసులో అయితే ఆ కేసులో రాడాలి, అంతేగాని ప్రతి కేసుకు రాకుండా ఉండాలని ఏ జడ్జి గారు కూడా చెప్పరు, రైట్? సో దిస్ ఈస్ ది థింగ్. So Justice Gautam Patel of Bombay High Court on 24/9/2021, while conducting trial of a case of prevention of sexual harassment of women at workplaces, Prevention Prohibition Redressal Act 2013, he has barred certain media people to enter the court while the trial is going on. Please remember, it's not in-camera proceeding. It is a case under prevention of sexual harassment. In this connection, since he wanted to maintain the actually secrecy relating to the identity of the accused as well as the victim, so he did not allow, he has passed gag orders against the press. So now, agreed by this, they have approached the division bench, and ultimately the matter was, of course, the judge himself has cleared the air on 15/3/2022, I believe. Right. So, an association by name Forum Against Oppression of Women, Forum Against Oppression of Women versus, of course, the name has given versus A and others. That's all. They don't want to disclose the name. In interim application number 2215/2022 on 17th March 2022, Justice Gautam Patel stated that the gag orders only case centric, only relating to the case. He did not give any blanket order. So his order dated 24/9/2021 will apply only to that particular case, not to all other cases. This is what is clearly explained by Justice Gautam Patel, right? So in his order on 24/9/2021, now, so for preventing the disclosing the names or identity of the victim, accuser and witness, so none of the outsiders, they are allowed. That means the particularly this is relating to media. Media is not allowed, right? So agreed by this, they have gone to the court. Now he has clearly stated that suppose if at all such orders preventing the media from attending the court, if at all such orders have to be given, if they have to be promulgated or they are given by only the Chief Justice. Gautam Patel said only Chief Justice could issue such rules because that too they should be published in the Gazette also, right? Please remember, the forum, they argued that the guidelines are not against the letter and spirit of the so-called Sexual Harassment Act, but against to the concept of open courts. Now, what is open court? So if you go to the CRPC, section 327 CRPC, it says, the heading says, court to be open. What is a court? Please remember, the place in which any criminal court is held for the purpose of inquiring or trying any offense shall be deemed to be an open court. That's why whenever the court opens around 10:30 or so, the clerk or dafadar will come and declare public court, like that. Means any public is having access to the court. So court to be open. This is it is an open court. Everybody can go and watch the proceedings. Please remember. But provided if the judge thinks it fit or order at the stage of any inquiry, then barring the entry of public in general or any specific person, so that in holding that they should not have any access to this court. So please remember. And of course, if it is a case of rape and other things, in camera proceedings, well, nobody will be having so please remember, it is the discretion of the judge. In view of the judge, if he thinks fit, yes, he can restrain the entry of any other person. This was held in Kehar Singh versus the state, Delhi administration, 1918 case also. So, as per 327 CRPC, please remember, the court has got authority to entertain or to restrain any particular persons. That's why I told you already previously also. When the judge wanted to deliver the judgment and he allowed the media into the court. So a person wearing this type of red t-shirt and blue jeans with a tuck, he came and he was jumping the benches. Then the judge asked him, I am from so-and-so media. He said, do you know the difference between formal dress, casual dress and informal dress? Then he said, I am sorry. So before coming to the court, you must be neatly dressed. At least not branded clothes, but that should be. So some plain color shirt should have worn. What is this? T-shirt, that very tight jeans and jumping. What is this? So that's why at times the judges may not allow the so-called press also, media also. But anyway, this is a good judgment relating to the orders, gag orders given against the media. Please remember, these orders remain in force only to the particular case, not in general. It is not omnibus order, it is not blanket order, it relates to only that particular case. This is what is actually explained by that High Court Judge Gautam Patel. Good judgment. So please remember, suppose here he also given an exception. Suppose if the persons wanted to attend the court, they can represent to me and I would have allowed them. Because change is the only thing which we can express in life. So change is the law of life. That's what. So I might have changed my orders also without giving the why should you go to the higher court, but whatever it is. Now he has cleared the air, stating that the gag orders will extend to only that particular case, not general order. Right? Good. Thank you very much.